others through authenticity and strength. As a queen, she honors every identity with respect and acceptance, celebrating inclusivity, diversity, and equality, not only within the LGBTQ community, but in the entire society. She shines like the vibrant colors of the rainbow as a symbol of hope, empowerment, and limitless possibilities. Tonight, witness the brilliance, creativity, and pride of the candidates, each representing 21 of the cities and municipalities in Misamis Oriental and showcasing their individuality while fostering unity as they vie for the crown of Miss or Bride Queen 2026. Candidates in their production number.
Mama told me when I was young, we are all born superstars. She rolled my hair and put my lipstick on in the glass of her boudoir. There's nothing wrong with loving who you are, she said, 'cause you made you perfect, babe. So hold your head up, girl, and you'll go far. Listen to me when I say I'm beautiful in my way, 'cause God makes no mistakes. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. Don't hurt yourself and regret, just love yourself and you say I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. There ain't no other way, baby, I was born this way. Baby, I was born this way. There ain't no other way, baby, I was born this way. Right track, baby, I was born this way. Don't be a drag, just be a queen. Don't be a drag, just be a queen. Don't be a drag, just be a queen. Give yourself prudence and love your friends. Subway kid, rejoice your truth. And the religion of the insecure, I must be myself. Respect my different love might be a sin. Believe capital H-I-M. Love this record and me, I'm all Olivia. I'm beautiful in my way, God makes no mistakes. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. Don't hurt yourself and regret, just love yourself and you'll say I'm on the right track, baby, I was born this way. There ain't no other way, baby, I was born this way. Baby, I was born this way. There ain't no other way, baby, I was born this way. Right track, baby, I was born this way.
Let's meet our candidates, beginning with Alubihir.
Ang dili mo baka, sureball sa lipa. Ang dili mo syagit, ulanan og igit. First, awas lang. I am Queen Mati Ashikea Yubot, makipakiusa, makipaglambigit, what? Ano bihit?
Paningasal.
in front of you is Gran Villanueva. Uy, the long-lost daughter of our Governor Juliet. Uy. Mga kat, unsaon man na imong ka-pretty, kung imong baba bahog iti. Unsaon ang imong ka-sexy, kung imong puslot, yun imong panty. Mga kat, alright? Hello. Kung gikan sa mga bayot nga danghag, sa kiki-sigig pabasag, ang halin sa parlor ginahatag, kaimal kay mga atap, baligasag, sag.
Balingwan.
Ang dili mo papa, matakdan pagkawakwak. Ang dili mo sagit, makaigit. My real name is Renato Bariliano, a graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Science, a proud working student, and a humble cum laude, a licensed professional teacher, hailing all the way from the gateway to the beautiful island of Camiguin. There's only one Balingniwan, Balingwan!
Claveria.
Mabuhay! I'm Roxy Wall, 27, from the fruit basket of Misamis Oriental, Claveria!
El Salvador City.
Pahok yang may. Kapuya mabayot, oy. Wala nun pag yun, ginoong ko. Antay matagap. By the way, my name is Krishna Arnold Cumantin. All the way from the land of Savior, El Salvador City.
Pinuok City.
Very good. Paano ko sisimulan kung walang palakpakan? Paano kami gaganahan kung walang sigawan? Ang naa sa inyong atubangan, ang pinakaguot, pinakapiot, o lagurot. I am the long-lost twin sister of Congressman Karen. This lady standing in front of you has no artificial flavor because I only believe in one sachet of Lola Remedios and one tablet of Alaxan FR. This is Alexa Naomi Babia, representing the city of good luck and home of Kaliga Festival. Akong syudad sa Hingoog, na nag-iwan ng isang kasabihan, kung wa ka kabalo sa imong kinabuhi, wa ka sumayod aha ka padulong, panguntan ang imong kaabay og silingan, kay kana sila kahibalo tanan. Thank you so much.
Santiago.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Wala mang takpak dyan. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Ang babae sa inyong harapan, mas fresh pa kay Miss Salay. Lay. I am Mitch Martin, 20, from the scenic Regis Mountain, from the Samis Oriental. My home, matahong, Hitago!
Pinitaw.
Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. Ani-ana sa inyong atubangan, ang babae nga napuno sa gugma o pagmaya, inubanan sa kalipay o himaya. Dili man kaayo ako kabalo mo batbat sa wikang Ingles, apan musalig ko nga mamaayo ako, kay mauman ang imong pagbuot dinhi sa yuta, maingon sa langit. My name is Nika Batalya, a licensed radiologic technologist and currently a job order employee at MOPH Mantikao. And I'm standing here tonight para magpakaluoy, para manghangyo kang Gov. Gov, na isa ka item sa Radtech dito. Maluoy ka. Ako, anak. But since this is a beauty pageant, allow me to use by the name of Jody. Jody, ang nagpapatibok sa puso ni Sir Chief, so please be careful with my heart. Jody Santa Maria, inahan ka sa grasya. Charla! From the home of Lantawan Festival, Lantaw Initaw, Suroytan!
Hasaan.
Charla. Hat malunggay pandesal. Hat malunggay pandesal. Palit na mo. Ayaw cool? Bata pa ko cool? Maayong gabi, Miss Samis Oriental. Og mamaayo kamo sa inyong mga sakit. Kay si initaw ng hangyo kay God. This is Ellen Albisha Castillo Uy Pilais Imano Lagbas Hardin, 27, from University of Science and Technology of Sardin, Philippines. Instructor, Gov, kanang hangyo man sa initaw, manghangyo sa ko nga iplantilya na ko. Proud to represent nga makita ang akong mga igsoon, the Sylvan Lizard, Sagpulan Falls, White Agutayan Island, and our Centennial Church, which is the Mary Immaculate Conception Church. One Hasaan! Wow! Hasaan!
Pinokita.
My name is Chica Los Posena, hailing from the hometown that celebrates Kahaan Festival, home from celebrating and blessed a bountiful harvest, and vibrant traditions. Gikan sa lungsod, mga tunay dako, o lami nga taas nga zipline. Hapit kinukitan!
Lagong Long.
Go! Dili mag-pabor operator. Go! Naka-check ka man ko sa closed door. Pwede ko na mo i-shoot sa top 5. Hawak ko ang pamilya mo. Emilan. This show is brought to you by Lucky Me. Pagkahumandani, mag-Lucky Me!
Lagong Long.
Good evening, Miss Samis Oriental. This woman standing in front of you is no other than, this is Queen Daily. All the way from the agricultural backbone of Miss Samis Oriental, and where Sapong Cold Spring is located. Not short, but long. Lawig Lagong Long!
Lahing Hinga.
Ang iro naligsan kay nagpatunga sa dalan. Welcome to Lagindingan Airport. Matod pa sa mga katigulangan, ang mga bayot ilansan daw sa krus. Mahurot ka lang ang inyong lansang, ang mga bayot padayon jabon sa pagkadaghan. The woman standing in front of you is a fresh and indeed 22-year-old designer. I am Lorraine Estares Itulan na nag-iwan sa inyo ng isang kasabihan kung ang kalabasa ay pampalinaw ng ating mga mata. Pero ang libat ug ang buta, walay pag-asa. Kung asa, makitan ang Lagindingan Airport ug ang asa. Kay ang iro naligsan na pod sa dalan. Kay nagpatunga sa dalan sa airport sa Lagindingan.
River Path.
Kikikaka? Daddy calls me angel, but I can fly. Angela, sa Libby, Angela, namatay na noon. Defeat. Mabuhay ang nanga-adik og scatter. Aminin, hapit mo na nga buang. Emila. From the municipality that celebrates Barungoy Festival, this is Kendall Nicole, Libertad!
Lupain.
Mabuhay! This is Casey Castillion Padayhad, a performer
a drag queen, and a proud drag addict. Char lang, Gov. Gov. My hobby in life is shopping and lifting. If you put together, I am a shoplifter. Char lang, Gov. And I am a professional mangbabarang. Sige, Jud, mga judges. Sige, Jud. Go. Sige, Jud, go. Once again, this is Casey Castillon Padayhag, all the way from the municipality of Soroy. Enjoy Lugae!
Mantigaw.
Char lang. Ana si Mama, guwapa daw ko gamay. Ana sad si Papa, sexy daw ko gamay. Ana po si Ate, morena daw ko gamay. Pero sakto na, husto na, sakit lang gihapon ipito niya among dakong. My name is Hara Marie Magical, and I'm proud to represent Abanti Manticaw, Love Manticaw!
Naawa.
What's up, mga mananap? Ang dili mo syagit o mo pakpak, masunog ang balay! This is RK Salcedo, 26, a proud graduate of Business Administration and Hospitality Management. And I am hailing all the way from the premier water and ecotourism hub of Naawan, Misamis Oriental. Naawan is home. Naawa! Naaw diri. Naaw dito. Aw, aw, aw. Naawan!
Salay.
Pakpak mo gamay. Syagit mo gamay. Murag yun mo mga bayot nga naay gamay. My name is Alexa Acosta Amparo, proudly graduate of Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship from the municipality of Daghan, mga Naglaylay, Buswak, Pasalay!
Sukok Google.
The woman standing of you is fresh, 18 years old. No injection, no breast augmentation, no rhinoplasty, because no money. I am Laura Vega, proud and dignified to represent the summer capital of Misamis Oriental, Siya
gipuy-an mga bayot na kulbaan kay nag Q&A na daan. Sa langog namong gipuy-an mga bayot na juguhan kay Augie Katsingan.
Another year of celebrating beauty and diversity. Welcome to Mobile Legends! This is Faith Silent Peñaranda, 23 years old, a graduate of physical education, a licensed professional teacher, and a humble magna cum laude. Ang akong ate. Representing Municipality of Kungdin ang mga bayot sigig kabuntagan, Padayon, Tagaluan!
Tadi saya.
Maupay nga gabi kaninyong tanan, maupay pangit, maupay pilian, maupay pobre, maupay sosyalan. Bahalag walay bugas, basta ang tsinelas Havayanas. Bahalag walay uyab, basta kay I miss him. This is Elena Labial Acelo, 22 years old, nagagikan sa munisipyo kung asa kusog mabahaan. Alert level 1, alert level 2, alert level 3, evacuation! Proud and dignified to represent